Hi, I'm Yashika. I'm an independent research consultant and I will be teaching the qualitative research course at Crucible Institute of Management. What truly excites me about Crucible is that they're making an honest attempt to, focus on students who are passionate to learn, they are willing to learn, but just the typical bookish way doesn't work for them. During my career, I've come across numerous bright MBA graduates, right? And coming from different academic backgrounds, a very consistent observation I've had with them is that there is a major gap between the theoretical understanding that they're coming in with and the realities or the practical demands of the jobs. So oftentimes they would be lacking in terms of the very critical technical skills or the very nuanced soft skills that are required to undertake the job. I believe though it may seem like a challenge, but it is actually an opportunity to bring about that revolution in B schools, right? We need programs that are championing applied learning by deeply integrating with the industry, bringing in faculty who has real world and active experience to the classrooms, right? And then also shifting away from the typical question answer examination format to a more dynamic and robust ways of really examining students, like case studies or giving them real life projects, giving them that real life feedback. I believe that is what will bring about the change. The current education model simply isn't able to keep pace with the industry revolution. What is required essentially is a complete rethink, right from what we're teaching to how we're teaching and who is teaching it, right? Without this shift, I believe we are risking stagnation. And this is where I believe that the Crucible Institute really stands out, because they are making a very honest and proactive attempt to bridge this vital gap, right? By working diligently with people from the industry and top recruiters, they're trying to make sure that the curriculum that they are building, right, and the way they are building it, it's very much attuned with the real-time industry development and very much attuned with the exact business skills that are required today.